So let's face it, the internet is a mass of data. It's a mass. And the search engines are encouraging the use of greater structure in the creation of those web pages to generally help them make better sense of the internet as a whole. Hey guys, Steve here. Before we keep going, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're catching this on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll always know when I post new videos. Your likes really help the channel grow and reach more people. All right, let's get back into the training. Here's the big picture. If you've been following for any length of time, you've probably seen this screenshot before because the engines want to find and properly understand the website's content so they present the best quality results to their users. Legitimate webmasters, which you guys all are, otherwise you wouldn't be here. You want to have your content be properly understood and found by the people who are looking for it. And the visitor, the user, might be coming to the site. Well, they want to find exact information they want as quickly as possible. That intersection, that shared interest of the engines, the searchers, and the site owners is best served by using structured data. Most modern websites are actually being created from structured data that's usually kept in a database. WordPress is a perfect example of just this, right? We don't actually have pages created in HTML that's set on a file server somewhere. The information is stored in a database, and the database has the information about, what a heading is and what the posts are and what the pages are and so on down the line. So the data from those databases get brought into your pages, formatted into HTML for display as a web page. But a lot of the details of the data structure don't always translate well to conventional HTML. And I always use an example of think about an event, right? If you're talking about a concert, right? Most events carry a date, right? Hey, this event's going to happen on this date. But the date that's displayed on the page, there are other dates that might appear on the same page, right? Maybe there's a date that page was created. Maybe there's a date when pre-sale tickets go on sale. Maybe there's a date when public tickets go on sale. Now, for the most part, Google can probably figure out and guess which is the proper one. But when you use structured data, you're basically telling it in a language they've helped develop what the proper date is. And so they don't want to guess at the date because it can be risky. So using structured data schema is part of what's called, we'll talk about that in a moment, reduces this risk and helps the engines to better understand your site's content. Now, structured data, in essence, helps you speak directly to Google in a language that they collaborated on, right? So you're talking English to you're talking, Google to Google, basically, right? You're providing them with information in a format that they've said this is what we want, and using it helps Google and other engines as well understand your site's information, regardless of the platform or the device that you're using, because most of the time, it's not visible to the user. It's sort of behind the scenes. It's generally speaking, in script format. We'll talk about that in a moment. The new types of markup are also continuously being added or improved upon. So something that had something before, like, we talked about a concert, an event, and the venue, and the promoters, whatever. Maybe they figure something else needed to be added. They can extend it, add something else to it. So don't automatically trust the plugins that are out there. To install your structured data correctly, you do want to keep an eye on this. Again, I'm not saying there aren't some good plugins out there. There are. I actually put a big plug. I'm not going to bash them, but I bought one that I thought was good. We put it in, and it really wasn't very good. It was missing stuff. It wasn't fully fleshed out. It didn't have all the options we could have had. I saw other places that we use and manually put these things in, and I think we get better results, but from the manual aspect of it.